Talaga po nanggigigil na kami. And showed them how talented Filipinos are. For sure, it's something that all Filipinos would be proud of.
Lola na eh, so hindi naman na ng Grammy. Joke lang. We're just very excited to show everyone what we're capable of.
Whenever we're going to be on stage, talagang lagi po kaming merong kaba.
Talaga po nanggigigil na kami. I mean, meron po kaming upcoming concert sa April 18. Pero sobrang ina-anticipate din namin po yung performance dito. Siguro po gusto ko rin din pasalamatan syempre yung mga kaungihanig like Nation, Miss Riza, syempre Wansi. Kung wala sila, hindi namin makakita itong opportunity na ito. Sabi nga po ni Josh, ever since we started our career as artists, parang yun talaga yung pinaghahandaan namin. Itong moment na to na makapag-perform sa Lollapalooza and show them how talented Filipinos are. And hindi ko po alam, hindi ko ma-imagine or hindi ko ma-explain kung ano yung gagawin namin po. Pero for sure, it's something that all Filipinos would be proud of. Right now, syempre may mga pakulo kami pagdating sa music na itong perform namin doon. Syempre definitely, yung arrangements, mas matinding production, just to show them kung ano talaga yung kaya natin gawin. So, sobrang excited na gigil na po kami.
Lola na eh, so hindi naman na ng Grammy. Joke lang.
Pasok po ba?
Disappear ni Justin.
No, technically on. Well, we're just very excited to show everyone what we're capable of. For Grammys, of course, we've been always dreaming about it. And syempre, if we give the opportunity, gradually, siguro talagang mas ipapaita namin na ano pa yung higitan sa ganda, tinatawag natin, di ba? So, syempre, we've been always dreaming about it, pero lagi pa rin kaming humble down na hindi namin masyadong ina-expect na darating lang siya. Kailangan namin mag-work hard. So, yun yung everyday na tinatry namin when it comes to us, or syempre, yung mga preparations namin, especially for Wakas at Simula, at darating din lahat, eventually, mas naniniwala kami na yung optimal work na ginagawa namin, kumbaga dahan-dahan, darating din kami doon. Hindi kailangan ng isang viral moment lang, but most important is yung steady kami going there.
Yeah, I think it's one of the strengths of SB19, yung longevity nyo. Kasi hindi lahat, maraming nag-viral, ang dali mag-viral. Pero hindi lahat tumatagal, katulad nyo. Happy 8 years.
Foundation po talaga.
Foundation.
Sabi nga nila po, pag mula ng blessings, kailangan handa ka sumalo. So, i-prepare mo ka lang yung sarili mo pag dumating mo. Huwag umakadal.
As always naman po, whenever we're going to be on stage, talagang lagi po kaming merong kaba. And I feel like yun din yung hinahanap po namin. Kasi if mawawala yung kaba namin sa mga bagay na gagawin namin, ibig sabihin, nawawala yung excitement or yung pressure for us to do our best. So I think yung kaba is one of essential things na kailangan na sa performer, as an artist. Kasi ibig sabihin, pinapahalagahan mo yung gusto mong gawin. And even though pang ilang tour, third tour na namin yung previous po, kinakabahan pa rin kami kasi we have a goal na gustong i-achieve. We want to impress people, and even though we think sometimes na baka same audience lang naman yan, but sabi namin from the very beginning pa lang na kahit gaano pa kaliit kahit gaano pa ka-fondy yung audience namin, kahit sino pa po yun, we're going to do our best. So, definitely, kinakabahan po kami every time.